practices at petrol stations are being revolutionized by autofoil. Without you ever having to get out of the driver's seat, this robotic device will fill the tank in your car. To more easily place the nozzle in the idle position for foiling, autofoil uses sensor to assess the size and shape of your car. You will not have to bother about standing in line at the gas station or paying for foil there thanks to autofoil. This technology also features an app that enables you to simply and securely track the status of your refueling and make gasoline purchases. With the amazing development of autofoil, refueling is now quicker, more practical, and safer than ever. Rage Blade. The groundbreaking Rage Blade combines cutting-edge technology to simplify grass upkeep. This robotic lawnmower device is economical and environmentally beneficial because it's solar-powered, given that it handles all the work for you. It is ideal for folks who don't have the time or energy to mow their lawns. It may be programmed to cut your grass predetermined intervals, and you can operate it remotely using a smartphone app. Garnered overwhelmingly excellent reviewers, and for good reason. It improves people's lives while using renewable energy. Rage Blade is just one of the many incredible technologies that use sustainable energy sources, including hydroelectricity, wind, and solar power. This technology helps us lower our carbon footprint while also giving us access to renewable energy sources. The flying car. Generations have dreamed of driving a flying automobile, but today's tremendous technological and technical development are making that dream a reality. The flying car is a cutting-edge invention that fuses the airplane with the car, providing a distinct and thrilling means of transportation. The flying automobile has a range of up to 1,000 miles and propelled by both electric and gasoline engines. It is a flexible means of transportation because it doesn't require conventional runway or airport because of its vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capabilities. Its four-rotor design also offers excellent air stability and control. The flying car. Fascinating prospective applications in aerial photography and videography go beyond its transit capabilities. It enables travelers to take in a new location for an eye-catching angle and record amazing footage as they go. Sewing. The extraordinary sewing by Elios technology has the potential to transform the shipping sector and contribute to the ocean conservation. The sophisticated algorithm and sensor on board this robotic ship enable it to travel on its own and collect ocean plastic debris. The ship hydrodynamic hull decreases drag and foils use, making it a practical choice for traveling cargo at a reasonable price. It can be equipped with solar panels to power its system, giving it greener options than conventional transportation techniques. The ability of sewing together plastic trash from the ocean is one of its most striking characteristics. It can find and identify plastic garbage thanks to its sophisticated sensors and cameras, which help lessen ocean pollution and safeguard marine life. This makes it a crucial weapon in the struggle against climate change and plastic pollution. Flow Stop. The remarkable invention known as Flow Stop has the power to completely alter how water resources are managed. It is a state-of-the-art device can precisely track and manage water flow in a variety of situations. Because of accuracy, it can quickly change to the amount of water flowing by detecting any irregularities in flow rate. Moreover, Flow Stop can detect water levels that are dangerously low or high and notify consumers to take quick action. This invention is essential for preserving water supplies and lowering the frequency of upkeep and reprise. Users can use Flow Stop's cutting-edge features by integrating them into current system. with its relays onto the market, consumers looking to conserve energy and lessen their total environmental effective now have a choice. ARCA Eco Rocket. The ARACA Eco Rocket is a fantastic concept with the potential to completely change aviation in the future. This futuristic aircraft, which resembles a rocket, was created with energy conservation and lower emissions in mind as compared to other aircraft. Its innovative aerodynamic materials and hybrid propulsion system enable it to achieve higher than 50% fuel efficiency. The ARCA Eco Rocket's two sets of wings, which are angled slightly forward to serve as an air brake, are among its most novel design elements. This enhanced performance during takeoff and landing by reducing drag, the further improve the economy and lower fuel usage. The aircraft have also electric motor. Elemental water makers. The astonishing technology known as elemental water manufacturers provides a remedy for the global water crisis. The groundbreaking technology generates and purifies water using renewable energy sources, making it safe to drink from any source. This incredible machine can purify water to rural location without access to clean drinking water using just a reverse osmosis membranes, a solar panel, and generator. It also generates energy efficiently. Technology for water filtration has changed dramatically thanks to elemental water makers. They provide a cost-effective alternative for individuals in rural locations while harnessing energy sources and minimizing energy using to address the global water crisis. This cutting-edge technology are a must-have for anyone who care about the health and well-being of our planet, since they will undoubtedly play a significant role in the future of clean water and environmental protection. Ultra Blue Robotic Track Loading. Thanks to Ultra Blue Robotic Track Loading is no longer just SCI-FI idea. By applying cutting-edge technologies that saves time and lowers the possibility of human error, this cutting-edge robotic system is transforming the track loading procedure. A robotic vision system, an automated arm, and conveyor belt make up Ultra Blue. The automated arm picked up the item and loads them neatly onto the track, while the conveyor belt positions them where they need to go. Each package is correctly loaded and its weight is spread evenly thanks to the robotic vision system. By the elimination of manual loading and a decrease in the possibility of physical harm and human error, this groundbreaking advice not only passes efficiency but also safety. Also, it enabled quicker loading time. GuardBot. The groundbreaking technology GuardBot provides a variety of features to improve efficiency, security, and safety in difficult circumstances. Its cutting-edge robot is adaptable for a variety of applications because it can function in both air and aquatic. It can function in both air and aquatic environments. GuardBot can identify threats, conduct surveillance, and respond to crises, and is built to function in challenging environments. Obstacle avoidance, object manipulation, and object recognition are some of their features. The robot has sophisticated sensors that allow it to easily move past barriers and recognize objects. GuardBots can help save lives by giving essential information to support emergency response effectiveness. Also, it can be utilized to find missing people during search and rescue efforts. GuardBot is destined to transform how we, from all of us here at TechTrack, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.